Hey guys, this is the unboxing of Sade's SA-708 gaming headset. So I got this from Amazon for 1200 rupees, and let's look at the box first. So here you could see it says something about the service centers and official gaming headset by Sade's. At the front it says about game, movie, chat, remote control of the mic, and 2.2 meters cable. At the back we have about the 40 speaker and some specifications of the headset. So let's open it up. So we only get the headset in the box, and at the bottom we have a warranty booklet, and inside the box you have a user manual. And this is the headset. Looks pretty good, it's pretty light, and we have the mic control. Let's open it up. So you could see this is the microphone on and off and volume control, and this side we have the 3.5 cables. There's no USB port or any lights on the headset, and here we have the mic. It's not detachable. You can see we can just fold it. The ear pads are soft. So I'll be testing these headset out for some time, and I'll make sure to post a review in a few days. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.